You can just curl it around this too. It works just having it hooked on there.
Okay,
It makes it,
yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty.
That's cool.
Nifty girl.
Yeah.
Love it. Are you gonna do another?
Yeah, I think so.
You could even you could go through it and bring one down through the middle.
Do you ever turn it and go from different directions?
Could, yeah. Definitely. Do whatever you want.
Oh, look at that. Just use your fingers too.
Interesting.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh wow.
It's got right
You
to
guys are
me.
gonna have
Now you could do some little doodly things there, kind of
Yeah.
like what she did on your side.
You gonna do another pole?
I think I'm gonna do one more,
Yeah, you could do a-
but with the string actually, like
Oh.
to make it pop, like maybe on the side here.
I have one right here.
Ooh, awesome.
Cool.
I like this, and then,
And it goes on the side too. Look,
yeah.
she's got it going on the
Oh,
side.
that's cool.
And I'm done.
Is this about the right distance?
Yeah. Move faster.
Like that, you do it this way. I can see some coming up, especially in the tan.
Probably out of this. There you go.
All right.
Sometimes they come up later too.
Yeah, here's some.
Oh, I see it. They almost look
See it?
scaly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
See right in there, you got some coming up too. And
Uh huh.